mistakes in her past, and it's reflected in her criminal history, and it's also...
Right out of the gate, the judge cuts through the emotion. No sympathy detour. No hesitation. This is what happens when prior history meets fresh charges. And notice the tone, calm, controlled, but decisive. That, yep, isn't casual, it's procedural inevitability.
So, reflected in these charges. But since I've known her and I've met her at least 9 months ago, she's turned around a lot. And she has just had a newborn baby. She has 3 children, and she's a single mother. And I can see her doing all she can with the help of her family, raising these children and doing what she can to support them. Your Honor, I know it's outside the plea agreement was for a 5-year. We ask you to consider making it a 4-year term of supervision. Figured in that time she'll either make it or not. And that's all I got.
Okay. Well, I have a question for you.
That's fine.
When you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And I'll tell you right now, if your drug test is negative, then I will sentence you to a length of probation that's 4 years.
It's going to be 30 because I'm on narcos right now from the hospital.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm on hydrocodone from the hospital. I just had a baby a week ago. So,
and that's all it's going to be positive for?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't have my documents at home, but I can go drug test it.
Now this is where things get legally interesting. The judge offers a conditional break, 4 years instead of 5, but ties it directly to a clean drug test. That's strategic. Judges often use real-time testing as a credibility check. If you're asking for leniency, your system better match your story. And the moment medication enters the chat, the burden shifts back to the defendant to prove legitimacy.
The documents tomorrow if you want.
Oh no, it will be a drug test today.
Okay. But the 5 years will be fine.
All right. So, let's do a drug test today. How did you arrive at court today?
30.
Okay. Then she can get her drug test today, and I'll come back with the sentencing, and we'll let them know what medication she says she's going to be on, and there should be nothing else in her system.
Okay.
All right. Miss Abrams?
Do I have to pay for lunch?
Oh no, you won't have to pay for it. Miss Abrams, let's get her a drug test today. Now, let me ask you this before I send you for the drug tests.
I don't want to do drug test.
Why not?
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Why not? It's free.
Just because. I just do the 5 years.
No. Let's do a drug test. Okay? Unless there's something you want to tell me before I send you to go do your drug test.
And there it is. The turning point. In courtroom psychology, refusing a drug test is practically an admission without saying the words. Watch how quickly leverage flips. 5 years was negotiable, until it wasn't. If you're innocent, you test. If you hesitate, the judge reads between the lines.
Actually, yes. People have to defer.
For what?
For methamphetamine.
All right. So, that's where we are.
I got drug and someone that mixed it or...
No. Don't do this thing where somebody's mixing drugs for you.
No. They told me something. There was one thing, and there was another.
No. You're not taking meds. You're telling me.
No, I am taking meds too.
No, but here's the thing. You're telling me you just had a child, and she shouldn't be out partying with other people. She should be taking care of her child. So who is actually taking care of your child? No. When you were out using drugs, where was your child?
I was my mom. But I am taking care of my kids.
So her mom is taking care of her children.
No, I am. I have custody of them. They're at my apartment.
Here's the thing. Just because you have custody of a child doesn't mean that you're taking care of your child. And if you're using drugs, you're not taking care of your child.
With that in mind, Your Honor, we concede to the 5 years term of probation.
All right.
You sentence her today according to
This is more than moral commentary, this is legal positioning. When a judge connects substance use with parental fitness, that opens the door to Child Protective Services involvement. It's no longer just about theft. It's about child welfare. And in felony court, once kids enter the equation, scrutiny doubles instantly.
No problem. All right. Court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and counsel, if she completes everything early, I'll consider early termination. There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. How far did you go in school?
Hudson College. I got my medical building coding degree.
I'm sorry, what?
I got my medical building coding degree.
All right, there'll be 50 hours deducted upon completion of parenting classes. There's to be no contact with Ingram Park Mall. Ramon Ramos, Devani Vasquez. Why were you stealing?
Honestly, I was just going through a hard time, to be honest. I was at a point in my life where it's just, I could do it so much in my life, to be honest, and it gets hard, to be honest. That still doesn't explain to me, why are you not at HEB taking items from them? I'm not recommending you take it from there, but you were stealing from Dillard's department store. What were you taking from Dillard's? A shirt.
Well, it was more than a shirt, because they said they would retrieve items from you.
There was 2 shirts.
Just 2 shirts?
Yeah, they're polo, they're expensive.
All right, so why are you taking polos? And were those female polo shirts?
That's for my son.
How old is your son?
He's 12.
So why are you stealing polo shirts for?
This is for Easter trying to become the friend.
I'm sorry, what?
It was for Easter trying to become the friend.
I'm sorry, I can't understand.
It was for Easter trying to make my son look nice.
for Easter, so her son looks nice.
It was around Easter time.
All right, isn't Easter the celebration of Jesus Christ? Right?
Yes.
So do you think Jesus weren't you stealing?
No, ma'am. And that's why I haven't. Ever since I was pregnant, I had really changed my heart and changed my mind.
All right, is Child Protective Services involved in your life?
No, ma'am.
Do you know if they're in her life?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Because I will tell you right now.
That question. Surgical. The judge reframes the defendant's justification using her own values. It's rhetorical, but powerful. Courts don't just weigh law, they assess accountability. When someone invokes hardship or faith, a judge may test whether their actions align with those claims. And here, the answer was already obvious.
I have concerns because she has a child with her and she's going to test positive for meth. The felony theft course. Who stays with you?
Just me and myself.
Well, who's with your children right now?
My babysitter. My mom was sick this morning, so I couldn't leave my kids with her. Oh, my newborn. My kids are at school.
All right. Somebody called over and have a caseworker come over so they can talk to her. Just for they're not going to open the case. But you do need somebody to help you out.
I don't need anybody to help me out. I've been really good for the past 9 months.
You're telling me you're positive for meth. That's not being.
Because someone took that in my drink, yes. I was around the wrong people.
Mm-hmm.
I was just went out for a drink. I was at my friend's house, and that's it. That's the first time I hardly even go out. I don't go out at all.
There's going to be the felony theft course. There's going to be a TAP evaluation in custody. Follow recommendations of TAP. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else?
Go ahead and do
She
the
wants to do pretend violation of custody.
Yes, and the felony drug court in custody counsel, that will be done this week because it's early in the morning.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah.
I have to go pick up my son.
Okay.
Like what?
Is there anything else?
Your Honor, when you said it's going to be this week, what,
What does it mean? So I'm going to jail?
Wednesday.
and if,
I'm going
and
to
what-
jail?
wait a minute, I'm trying to find that. Okay, so,
This is the moment reality hits. Notice how earlier she was negotiating probation terms, now she's calculating logistics, picking up her son, jail timing, weekly reporting. Sentencing hearings move fast. 1 minute you're explaining, the next minute you're processing consequences. That's why credibility at the beginning matters most.
My God.
and then once the felony drug court is done, then I'm
Please,
stuck
mommy,
there.
daddy, please go home to my son.
There's
today.
$1,000 fine and that will be probated.
Please, Your Honor,
And
please.
then
You can trust us
Probation.
every week, and I promise that I will come out.
probation, is there anything else?
No, then.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. All right, so
Can
Deputy.
you just tell me?
So-